Alright, so taking a look at a magnetic screen door covering. Obviously, right now I don't have the other door open, but the idea here was to have that door open and of course have the wooden door opened up so that you could very easily go in and out if you're grilling out or something. And it seems to work pretty well. You know, we had to do it maybe a little bit differently, putting it on the sides like this, but it's just Velcro, so you can take that off. You don't have to leave it up. And then this part right here is joined by, you know, the magnets, of course, and it actually works pretty well. Pops apart, and then at the top here you've got sort of a lacy decorative portion, which we left on the outside, which, you know, you could flip it around however you want, doesn't really matter. The only problem we have, as you can see, it's a little too long for this particular door. Don't think cutting it's really going to be an option. It'll start to fray and unravel, but overall it works pretty well. It'll do the job. A little extra Velcro. This little piece was a little bit of the extra. We trimmed off a little bit of the extra, so that's what that extra part is there. And then it does come with some little hardware, little pins, little thumbtack like. So if you wanted to or needed to, you could use those. We just used the Velcro. Then it comes with these instructions, pretty simple. So overall, no major complaints. The fitment is of course going to be the biggest issue, so that's going to be the only thing you have to worry about. But the adhesive is really good. It's really sturdy on there. It's not coming loose. It's not showing any issues in that regard, and the Velcro is strong as far as you know, holding. Very strong, actually, way stronger than I expected. But by any means, it works, does what it's supposed to do. The magnets are actually pretty strong too, so that works really well, and it just pops, you know, back together, you know, very easily. So yeah, overall, looks good. It works well. Like I said, we kind of put it up here just so if I want to have this entire door open instead of just the bottom screen portion, that's kind of a nice option. So yeah, I would suggest checking the link below the video, and that way you can find out a little bit more about it in terms of size and fitment for your particular needs, or you might end up with a little bit of a bunched up mess at the bottom like that. But I mean, other than that, works pretty well. Let's see. Yeah, not a whole lot else to say about it, I don't guess. So anyway, thank you for watching. Check out the link below. Like I said, find out more. Maybe it'll work for you. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thank you.